You've probably been on YouTube for years, or maybe even decades, watching videos and leaving comments. But have you ever considered going back and seeing the comments that you made years ago? And maybe you wanted to go in and delete some of those and not have those comments be public on your YouTube account. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, whether you're on a phone or a computer. So first, let's head into the YouTube app. I'll show you how to do it in the phone, but also how to do it in the website or desktop-based version. Tap on You at the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Tap on Manage All History. And then tap on Interactions at the top right. And finally, you can see Comments and Replies. Tap on that. This will show you all of the comments that you have ever made on your account. Now, for whatever reason, YouTube kind of buries this in the settings. If you wanted to delete a comment, you can tap on the little X and it will delete that comment. However, you can also just tap on the video for that comment and check it again and watch it again. Now, if you are on a desktop version, instead at the top left, you'll see those three lines. Tap on those three lines, scroll down, and you'll be able to see midway down is History. Tap on History. And then under Manage All History, tap on Comments. This will show you all of your YouTube comments. I just deleted that one comment. I don't comment much on that account because I just don't use it that much. But if you do have lots of comments on here, you can always just go through and delete out any ones that you'd prefer not be out in public on YouTube. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.